What I have is some green tomatoes. I'm going to show you that I bought some at the farmer's market for a great deal, $1 a bag, a huge bag, like about 3 pounds. And I have tomatillos on the bottom, and those are actual green tomatoes. So I'm making a green salsa verde, which is made out of green tomatoes and tomatillos. And I wanted to show you as I scoop them up. See, these are the tomatillos. Well, no, that's an actual green tomato. Yeah, this is a tomatillo. And this is a green tomato. What's the difference? The tomatillo has like this husk around it. When you get them, they have a husk. And it's a certain tomato. I'm sorry, got some serranos or some jalapenos in my throat. And then I went ahead, I mean, they have a husk around them when you get them. They have like this flimsy paper thin like husk. Sorry. So it has like this little husk thing that goes around them. Can you see that? I'm trying to get that focused. It's kind of difficult. Here, let me focus this camera. Okay, hopefully you could see it. So it's like this little husk that's around the tomato. This one. So it goes like that. So you take them off, rinse them. I rinse them. And then these are regular green tomatoes. So I'm going to mix the two because, you know, when you use these for fried green tomatoes and fried green tomatoes. I have a video, I think, on fried green tomatoes. And I went ahead, and these are starting to turn, but they're still a little, have that flavor. It's okay to add a couple of red tomatoes, but I wouldn't add too many red tomatoes, but you have mostly green. And then what I did was I rinsed, deveined. The seeds are the hot part. So I deveined them, and I just want the flavor of the actual pepper. And they're still going to be spicy, so I put jalapeno and serrano in them. And then I added, since it's springtime, I added some. Hi, my name is Spring. So I have some spring garlic in there. And then I have some serranos. And then the jalapenos are in there already. And I added some salt. So a little bit of sea salt. You want to add some sea salt. And some agua. Some water. And then you put it on low heat. Right? I'm going to boil it and then bring it on low. And so, I don't know if you can tell what I'm saying, but what I'm going to do is basically boil it and bring it on low. I added the 2 kinds of tomatoes. I did it one time and it was so good. And my neighbor actually had some and it was so good, and she left the cilantro and the cumin out and all that. It was so delicious. Just keep it simple. If you want some really good salsa verde, it's the salt that actually adds the seasoning of the salt that adds a flavor. If there's anything else, then I'll let you know. But so basically I have tomatillo, green tomatoes, and a little bit of red tomatoes, which are not quite in season, but in some places they know how to grow them. And then some serrano and some jalapeno peppers. All right, we'll see you soon. And I thought maybe I'd share this. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook. You cook it until it's tender. You add some water. I added about that much water from the bottom. Agua, water. Then you cover it, and then you have it.